talking about for physics, the high weightage chapter which you need to prepare on priority. Mechanics 25% weightage, magnetism and EMI 10%, heat and thermodynamics 10%. Talking about electrostats, properties of matter, waves, they are carrying 9.17% weightage each. Now you must be wondering that from where do we get this particular data? Guys, we at Careers 360 analyze each and every question, and then we come onto this particular authentic data. We just analyze the previous year papers, we analyze the questions that have come in the current examination, and accordingly we just go through them and create the data for you people. Talking about modern physics and nuclear, it's 8.33% weightage, units, measurement and tools 8.33% weightage, EM waves in communication 5% weightage, electronics 3.33% weightage, and optics 2.50. Moving ahead and talking about from mathematics, coordinate geometry, it's 30.83% weightage, higher percent weightage, so you must go for coordinate geometry. Calculus 12.50% weightage, trigonometry 10.41% weightage, probability and stats 9.17% weightage, vector algebra 8.75, vector algebra 8.33. I'm talking about over here the core vector algebra. Binomial and combinations at 7.50, followed by matrices and complex number. Herein you can have a look. Moving ahead and talking about the chemistry. Dear ones, over here what you can have a look that inorganic chemistry, periodicity and SPDF blocks, it carries 17.50% weightage. Moving ahead with the organic chemistry, hydrocarbons in functional group, it carries 20.83% weightage. Well, basic concepts of chemistry, it carries 12.50% weightage. Rest you can just have a look over here. Well, talking about for mathematics, you need to focus heavily on coordinate geometry, circles and straight lines and calculus. These two areas alone can make or break your rank. Talking about physics, yes. Mechanics is the foundation contributing, as you know, I've already told, 25% of the physics mark. Thermodynamics and current electricity are also high scoring, must do chapters. Well, if I talk about for chemistry, my favorite, organic chemistry, that too my forte, hydrocarbons in functional groups is massive. They carry over 20% of the weightage. If you find organic difficult, make sure you at least master chemical bonding and P block elements for easy scoring. Well, dear ones, since there is no negative marking, accuracy is your best friend, but speed is your second.